start here for the first training wing, Steve Johnson. She's going to do a countdown from 10. So y'all help her out, all right? Steve Johnson.
Okay, I'm going to need your help here. So we're going to count down from 10 to 1. And the boats will get in the water at 1. Is everyone ready? All right. Okay, we have in the first position here, the X-ray. Then we have the pink bullets.
Oh, they got their little hats on.
Then we have hot and ready. And finally, the Italian polos. All right, let's start our countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Team X-Ray taking the lead. They're floating that boat. Oh, there go the Italian polos. That Italian polo is over. Team
That's some
X-Ray
gorilla
taking it
tape.
out front. From an 81 MDTS, the Bullets starting to get their act together. Hot and ready. Don't look so hot and ready right now. Look at Team X-Ray out there, man. They got the lead by far. With Team Bullets behind. Come on, paddle, paddle. Hot and ready still having a few issues. Italian polo still at the starting line. I don't want to get wet. No, don't do it. Please, no. The Bullets picking it up. They're going good. Team X-Ray almost to the far end. Italian polo's got to go. No, they're back over once again. Hot and ready still at the line. Team X-Ray making a turnaround. Team Bullets about halfway. Still going at it. Italian polos losing parts of their boat. Hot and ready, just sinking.
Just sinking.
Team X-Ray with back to the bone, pulling it around. Team Bullets headed down to the far end to turn around. First place looks like we got Team X-Ray in the lead. Team Bullets second. It's a rough line between third and fourth right now. They're still at the line.
Oh no, go.
Team X-Ray, man of the boat coming in first.
They were very strategic about their boat.
Italian polos just hanging out swimming for a while.